ngayon, mag-create tayo ng demo para sa isang feature ng SolveCalc, yung split LAN. So, dito sa desktop, may isang folder ako na split LAN. So, sa loob, mayroon isang file, yung master. Okay, master DWG. So, we'll open that file. So, master.dwg. So, ito yung map power plan. Medyo malaki ito. So, we'll create multiple plans out of this drawing. So, we first go to our preferences. So, pili tayo kung ano yung title block na gagamitin natin. Actually, you can create your own title block dito. So, kung gusto mo, punta ka lang dito sa SolveCalc, then more settings, then standard title blocks. Dito mag-a-add ka ng isang drawing. Tapos description, yung template na general array, kasi ito yung yung field notes na gagamitin. Okay? So, dito maka-add ka anytime. So, we'll just go back. So, preferences. So, select tayo ng DNR for now. Then, select natin yung model at try natin i-insert yung title block muna. So, ito yung title block ng lote natin. So, currently, 1 to 4,000. So, what if gagawa tayo ng drawing na 1 to 2,000 lang? Kasi pag pinaplot natin to, hindi na natin nakikita yung mga corner numbers, yung lot numbers, or pag i-standardize natin. So for example, i-standardize ko yung mga annotation like corner numbers. So I can just update that plan. Then tingnan natin kung kaano kalalaki. So see, malalaki yung font or yung text height. So medyo clutter naman sa drawings natin. So, like this one, nag-overlap na yung mga text. So, the best thing to do is to split this drawing into smaller or larger scale, like as to 2,000. So, how we will do that in SolveCalc? Sa SolveCalc, mayroon tayong, I think, 4 steps. So, first, we'll create a section guide, then we'll create the split boundary, then we generate the plans, then we will clean up all the plans. Okay, so we'll do this first step process for creating the split plans. So dito makikita mo yung mga keyboard shortcut. So SG is the SP is SD. So para mas mabilis kasi medyo malalim. So first we'll do the section guide. Pwede mo i-click or type ka sa command line na SG. So just click. Then nagtatanong to enter scale or section square. So let's see 2,000. Okay. So just click here. So off mo natin yung snap. Click. So yan yung gusto mo. So click mo na yan. So let's try 4. Okay. So yan. Okay. Then press enter or escape. Then we'll now create the section the split boundaries. So diba, dito plans is D, or you type in the keyboard is D. Then enter. Then it will create now the boundaries. So kita mo dito medyo hindi siya nasali. So alam mo na hindi nasali yung portion kasi hindi siya na-hatch. So bakit hindi siya nasali ko? So kasi itong lote na to, pag ito na sheet, hindi siya pasok, di ba? Kung ito naman sa section 1, hindi siya fully pasok. So kailangan natin na ipasok. So you have 2 options. Either ipasok mo siya sa section 1 or sa section 2. So I'll choose to put that into section 1 kasi maluwag pa dito. I just move the section guide. Okay, so pasok na siya. So, dito din pasok din yung iba. Then I'll generate again. I'll type SD. Then okay, so now dito makikita mo dito sa iba, sa baba. Okay, so maraming hindi pumapasok. Ito, hindi siya napasok kasi yun din, hindi siya fully, ah, hindi siya napasok sa section guide. So, pwede natin ibaba. Okay, baba natin to. Okay. Yan, check also dito sa taas kung pasok ba. Okay, your type is D. Okay, pasok mo siya. So, ito naman. So, ito, hindi siya napasok kasi hindi siya fully pasok. So, pwede natin i-move to the left or to the right. So, to the left. Then, type is D. Okay. So, ito na. So, dito naman yung section 4. Hindi siya napasok dito kasi medyo pwede natin ito move to the right. Kasi malaking space naman ito sa kabila. Try natin yan. Okay, then we'll try this D. Yun. So ito, we need to add more sections. So we'll go, type is G, then 2000 pa rin, enter. Click natin yan. Yan, saka dito siguro. Yan, move natin. Yan, taas para pasok siya. And pasok. Up natin. Then, type is D. Okay, so kita natin yung mga sections natin. So, that's just an example. So, kitang-kita mo siya kung saan yung mga boundaries niya. I will try to this one section na. Para 5 lang yung drawing natin. Okay, hindi pa so parang okay, so dito sa taas. Pwede natin 5 lang. So, ito. So, try natin. So, we will remove this one. Please. We'll bring this one down. Pasok ba? Okay, try natin. SD. Okay, so pwede kasya 5. 5 lang. Okay, so that's how we create the section guide. Di ba? Mabilis lang. Then, save natin. Okay, so let's first erase this one. Baka ma-export siya. So, we go plans. Generate section plans. We'll increase this one to 100. Okay, and we'll open the drawing. So, ito. So, may section drawings na. Okay. Open. Then, we'll zoom extend. Okay. Medyo clutter yung drawings natin. So, what we'll do is we'll do clean up plans, clean up section plans. So, yun lang. Okay, so kita natin yung sheet 1. Then this will be the sheet 2 here. And taas natin ito. So, kita natin dito, 2,000 yung scale niya. So, just remove some of the text. Okay, so we'll open second drawing. So, extend, or we can type CSD to clean up. Okay, so just erase this one. So these are the match lines, this one and this one. Okay, so dito sa boundary na to eh. So dito yung sheet 4. Okay, so we'll do the same in all our drawings. CSD, then after clean up, you zoom extend. Okay, then this is now your here's the sheet 4. This one is sheet 4. Yeah, this one's sheet 5. So that's how we prepare our drawings using split plans.